round 1, you are going to start off with a magic ring, and in the magic ring, you'll insert 5 single crochets. If you want to have 12 petals, insert 6 single crochets. So here I'm going to do 5 for my 10 petals. That's 1, and here's 2, 3, 4, 5. After you finish the single crochets, you're going to tighten the ring. And now we're going to increase all the way around. That means putting 1 single crochet in each stitch. So going into that very first single crochet here, I'm going to put in 2 single crochets. One and 2. And repeat that all the way around. You'll have a total of 10 stitches if you started with 5 single crochets. And if you started with 6 single crochets, you'll have a total of 12 stitches at the end of round 2. Now, at the end, we're going to join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet that you made. In other words, it's the next single crochet here. And now that produces, as you can see, a flat little circle. We're going to get the color yarn you want for the petals. I'm using white here for my lovely little daisy. And I'm going to now make a petal. A petal is going to be 3 chains, like so. 1, 2, 3. Then a triple crochet in the same stitch. So that's yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the stitch. I'm going to pull through a loop. And now yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, go through the next 2 loops, and go through the last 2 loops. Then chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch. And that finishes 1 petal. We're going to repeat that all the way around. Again, you're going to end up having 10 petals for this flower if you had 10 stitches in the previous round. And you'll have 12 if you had 12 stitches in the previous round. So again, for the petals, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 chains, and then triple crochet into that next stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, and slip stitch into the same stitch. I'll make that with you again. 1, 2, 3 chains, triple crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the same stitch. And I'm going to fasten off that yellow because it's now getting to be in my way. Oops. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and a slip stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. Here's what the project looks like with the petals all complete. There are 10 going all the way around. And at this point, you can go ahead and fasten off with a long tail and use it for weaving in or for sewing this cute little flower to any project you want as an embellishment. Alternatively, if you want to turn it into a crochet bookmark like this, go ahead and check out my next video, link in the description box, on how to turn it into a lovely little bookmark. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crocheting. Bye now.